In this video, you will learn how to solve different problems in finding surface areas of a cone and a square pyramid. So basically, in solving surface areas, you just need to solve for the base area or the area of the base and the lateral surface area. So the surface area of a cone, to solve for it, the formula is just equal to the area of the base, which is the base of a cone is a circle. Therefore, we use the area of the circle, which is equal to pi r squared. And then the lateral surface area of the cone is just pi times the radius and times the slant height. And then for the square pyramid, to solve for its surface area, we just need to solve for the area of the base, and the base is a square, and the area of the square is just equivalent to the square of its side. So we have s squared here, plus the lateral surface area of the square pyramid, which is 2 times the the side times the length. So let's solve some problems here. Find the surface area of the cone below. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we're given here a cone, given the radius. Okay, the radius is equal to 10 centimeters, and then the slant height, which is equal to 15 centimeters. So now to solve for the surface area of the cone, we can use the formula, its formula, which is just equal to the area of the base, which is pi r squared. Our base is the circle, plus the lateral surface area, which is just equal to pi times the radius times the slant height. In this case, it's L, denoted as L. So we just plug in everything here. So this is pi times 10 squared, 10 centimeters squared, plus pi times 10 cm times 15 cm. All right. So we can factor out pi here, and then 10 squared is just equal to 100. So this is 100 centimeters squared, plus 10 times 15 is 150 centimeter squared. So this is just 250 pi centimeters squared. And then we simplify this. This would give us an answer which is equal to 785.4 square centimeters. It says to the nearest tenth. Therefore, our answer should only have one decimal place. Alright, let's try another problem here. Find the slant height of the cone below. Round your answer to the nearest whole number. All answer choices are measured as meters. Oh, we don't have the choices here. Alright, so we find the slant height and we're given the surface area. Okay, we're given here the surface area, which is equal to 50.27 square meters, or meters squared, and the radius is equal to 2 meters. And all right, we don't have the slant height, so we need to solve for it. Okay, now to solve for the slant height, we use the surface area, or the formula in finding the surface area of the cone, and then we just plug in the given values. So the surface area is just equal to the area of the base, which is pi r squared, plus the lateral surface area of the cone, which is pi times the radius times the slant height, which in this case is given as L. Then we plug in all the values given. We're given the surface area, which is 50.17 square meters, equals pi times the radius, which is 2 meters squared, plus pi times the radius, which is 2 meters, times the slant height. And then we simplify everything. This is 50.17. Alright, and 4 pi m squared plus 2 pi meters times the slant height. Then we subtract both sides by 4 pi. Alright, this cancels out, and we have 50.17 meters squared minus 4 pi meters squared equals 2 pi meters times the slant height. Therefore, the slant height is just equal to, or you just have to divide both sides by 2 pi meters. Okay, then let me delete this. Our slant height will just be equal to 50.17 square meters minus 4 pi square meters divided by 2 pi meters. This is just 50.27 square meters minus 12.57 square meters divided by 2 pi, which is 6.28 meters. This would give us 37.7 square meters divided by 6.18 meters, and the answer would be it says to the nearest whole number, so we round off our number to the nearest whole number, which is 6 meters. So the answer here is 6 meters for the slant height. Now let's solve some problems in finding the surface area of a square pyramid. Alright. Find the surface area of the square pyramid below. So we're given this figure here, a square pyramid, given its side. So this is the side, and then which is equal to 10 centimeters, and then 15 is the height, or the slant height. So it should be our L or S. Alright. Now to solve this, we use the formula in finding the surface area of the square pyramid, which is just equal to the area of the base, and the base here is a square. So we use the area of the square, which is just the square of the side, plus the lateral surface area, which is 2 times the base, the side of the base, times the length, or no, the slant height. Or you can also use the perimeter, 1/2 of the perimeter times the length. So which is just the perimeter of the square, which is 4s, and half of that is still equivalent to 2 times the side of the square. Alright, so let's plug in all the values given here. We have the side that is equal to 10 centimeters. So this is just 10 centimeters square plus 2 times 10 centimeters times 15 centimeters. So this is 100 square centimeters plus 10 times 15, 150 times 2, this is 300 square centimeters. Therefore, the surface area of this given square pyramid here is just equal to 400 square centimeters. Find the lengths of the sides of the base of the square pyramid below. Okay, we're given the figure here, and we're only given the slant height, which is equal to 16 centimeters, and we're given the surface area, which is equal to 105 square meters. So we need to find the length of the sides. So this one. All right, our base is a square, therefore all of the sides are equal, or the length of the sides are equal. So we can use the formula again. Surface area of the square pyramid is just equal to the area of the base plus 2 times the length of the side of the base times the slant height. And then we plug in all the given values. We have 105 square meters equals s squared plus 2s times 16. So this is s squared plus 16 times 2 is 32s. Alright, so it seems like we're going to have a quadratic equation here. So we'll just move all of the terms to one side. Let's say we move everything to the right. We move 105 to the right. So this would be 0, and equate everything to 0 equals s squared plus 32s plus 105. Alright, now to solve this, we just need to factor. We just need to review on factoring in algebra. So to factor this, we just look for numbers, two numbers, or factors of 105, that when you multiply them, it would equal to positive 105. And when you add them, it would equal to 32. Oh, I meant negative 105. It should be negative because we already transpose 105 to the right. All right. So that would be 3, negative 3, and positive 35. You can always check by using the FOIL method. So that is negative 3 times 35, that is negative 105. Then you add negative 3s and positive 35s. That would give us a positive 32s for our middle term. Then we equate each factor to 0. So this is just equal to 3, and the other one is s plus 35 equals 0. So s here is negative 35. So we reject the negative values because we cannot have a negative value for the dimensions of a shape or solids. Therefore, the answer here is 3 meters for the length of the side of the base.